did a good job boxing him out. This ball bounced away.
Stolen by Pugh as Wang tried to make the entry pass. Pugh will race to the other end of the court, laid up for two. He beat Wang off the dribble, and the Jackets have their first lead of the ball game, 25-24 with 6:21 to play. Good track down, long rebound to Pugh. He's got a 2-on-1 going opposite way. Desgain finishes for two. Eric Pugh ahead of the pack. He finds Desgain streaking down the right side for two, and Jackets have a 3-point lead.
And again, in the front court come the Yellow Jackets. Pugh with the dribble, works it back out to the top of the key. Down low, they feed it right side to Danny Jones. He steps through the double team off the glass. He'll get the bucket and draw the foul. What they're looking for with 17 on the shot clock. Pugh left side, takes it all to the baseline. Now to Braxton down low. Back out it comes to Pugh, open three, and that's good. The two-man game. Braxton saw the double team coming. Sent it right back to Pugh, and it's a 2-point ball game.
Brown to inbound. Finds Krosky. Krosky working there against Robertson. Picks up the dribble back to Brown right side. Brown spin move down the line off the glass for two. Beat his man off the dribble. Good help by Braxton. Krosky hit ahead to Eric Pugh. Pugh takes it through the lane. Opposite side. Krosky open for the three. And that's good. Jackets have a lead. 61-65, 12 to play. He knocks it down to give Williams a 2-point lead.
Yeah, but a good offensive set in general that time by Williams allowed him to get the wide open three.
Brown opposite side. Danny Jones will fire the three, and that's good. Jones answers for the Jackets to push them back up by one.
Good job of getting out on the wing.
The Jackets in the front court with a 1-point lead. Vokel top of the key with the ball. Looking for some help, swings it left side to Krosky. Krosky back across the top to Vokel. Finds Eric Pugh. Pugh down the lane, opposite side, finds Brandon Braxton for the dunk. Before Whittington recovers. 10 on the shot clock. Wang in the corner down low to Dotson. Dotson shot blocked by Jordan Brown. Loose ball on the floor. Jordan Brown and Brandon Braxton. It's going to be a held ball, and it will belong to Randolph-Macon.